Class 10 Geography, Agriculture, Part 1. In the previous video, we have learned about water resources and its importance for us and its conservation and management. Today, we are going to learn about agriculture. The word agriculture is made up of Latin root agri and cultura. Agri means field and cultura means cultivation. Cultivating a piece of land or planting and growing food plants on it largely is agriculture. We may define agriculture as follows. Agriculture is the science and art of cultivating plants and livestock. Since ancient time, agriculture is our old practices. It was the key development in the rise of human civilization. Farming of domesticated species created food surplus in our country. India is an agricultural country. 2/3 of its population is engaged in agricultural activities. Agriculture is a primary activities which produces most of the food that we consume. Not only it produces food grains, but also produces raw materials for various industries. Agricultural products like tea, coffee, spices, etc. are exported. Agriculture is an old economic activity in our country. Cultivation method depend upon the characteristics of physical environment, technological know-how, and socio-cultural practices. Let us see the type of farming in India. At present, primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, and commercial farming practiced in our country. Let us see primitive subsistence agriculture is the practice in few parts of India. It is done with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dao, and digging sticks and family community labors. It depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of soil, and environmental conditions. Primitive subsistence farming is a slash and burn agriculture in which farmers clear a patch of land and grow crops with the help of primitive tools to sustain their family. Slash and burn agriculture is known as zooming in northeastern states, Deepa in Bastar district of Chhattisgarh, B-bird in Madhya Pradesh, Podu or Penda in Andhra Pradesh, Koman or Bringa in Orissa, Kuruba in Jharkhand, Milpa in Mexico, and Roca in Brazil. Now let us see intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in area of high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farming where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Due to right of inheritance, land is divided among generations, size of land holding becomes small and uneconomical. The farmers continue to take maximum output from limited lands. So, there is enormous pressure on agricultural land. In the next video, we will learn about commercial farming.